Hey everyone, what is going on? I am here in my new dorm room, um, and this video has been a long time coming, and I finally decided to get around to doing it. I was supposed to do it with Lala, but she isn't here, and yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna see it the next time, so I just thought I would do it by myself, and then if she has anything to interject, she can, by whatever manner she would like to. So, I have a very serious topic to discuss, and this topic is known as the, I guess, I'll just explain the situation first. Have you ever been like in a movie theater or at a play or some sort of event where something is being performed on stage and there's a part where everything goes quiet for whatever reason and then you hear it? Someone coughs. What's up with that, really? Like, I swear, people are totally and completely fine up until there's like that silence, and then somebody just has to ruin it with a cough. And I've noticed it a few times, like mainly when I choreographed a dance, and it ended up not having music, and there were people coughing quite a bit. Now, granted, maybe they were sick, but I really doubt it, but is it like a nervous thing that they do? Like they cough because they're not used to the silence and they're just trying to fill it? Because if they are, that's kind of rude when you think you're at a performance. But, I don't know. But it's just one of those things that you just have to wonder is like, are they legitimately coughing because they are like, they have a cough? Or is it just them being uncomfortable? So, yeah, that's my issue. What do you guys think about it? Have you ever experienced that? And yeah, like to your thoughts on the whole matter. Okay, peace.